grade sixes. So today we're going to look at how Athenian courts were run. So please follow along with your notes. Write the bold words in the blank. Remember to pause that video to make sure that you are spelling the words correctly and you have them in the right spot. Alright, so how were Athenian courts run? If Athenians felt that they had been harmed by someone, or if they thought that someone was not acting in the best interests of society, they would bring their complaint to a magistrate. Magistrates were citizens and officers of the court, who were chosen by lottery for a one-year term. Magistrates would decide if the person received a fine or if the case was sent to trial. Any male citizen over the age of 30 could be chosen to be on a jury for a trial. Depending on how important the case was, a jury usually had between 501 and 1,500 people. Jurors would be chosen by lottery on the day of the trial. Women could take part in cases before a magistrate, but a woman who was a defendant in a jury trial needed to have a male guardian speak for her. Medics could be involved in legal cases, but could not serve on juries. Today, people have professional lawyers who speak for them in court, but in Athenian courts, people argued their own cases. The plaintiff and the defendant had to be able to speak well to convince the jury of their position. A defendant is the person who is accused of a crime. They are defending themselves from prosecution. A plaintiff is the person who brings a complaint about another person to the court. They are filing a complaint. Wealthy Athenians sometimes hired professional speech writers to help them make more effective arguments. So thinking it through, why do you think Athenian jurors were chosen on the day of the trial? Do you think it would be better to go to trial in ancient Athens or in Canada today? Explain your thinking.